So we're going to place the ACTIVA cannula tip into the deepest part of the preparation and gently inject. And I'm going to bring it around onto the buckle, keeping the cannula and the material intimately attached. I'm going to gently bring that onto the occlusal surface and fill up all of the deepest components with the material. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Explorer really quickly, and I'm going to go ahead and just manipulate the material, and we'll then go ahead and cure that. After we've gotten that done, now we're going to place another layer over the remaining aspect. And again, I'm going to build it backwards. This time I'm going to come from the buckle component and bring it on around to fill in the remaining aspects of the occlusal and bringing that entire seal of material completely all around. And I'll overbuild the cusp tip area slightly so that this way I can contour it down after it's been done. Again, I'm just going to tease the material to the various areas that are necessary, just to make sure that we've got intimacy of the interface between the tooth and the material. And then we'll cure that. Any flash will be trimmed away once we're all done. Awesome. We've now got it cured. Check your margins, make sure there are no voids. There shouldn't be if you've kept the material solidly in place. We'll then remove our matrix band, take out our restoration, and we can see how we have adapted to every part of the margins. We've overlapped and taken care of covering the cusp that we had to tip or reduce. And retentive-wise, it should work out pretty well. We have completely created a very nice preparation in a very interesting and challenging preparation.